Okay, so now, welcome to the championship game for the Women's Senior Division. This is between Lucban Elementary School versus the BF Northwest Elite Girls. Let's meet the starting lineup for Lucban Elementary School, starting with jersey number 1, Luis Barriga. And jersey number 7, Carmel Vicilia. Jersey number 2, Jaime Emperador. Jersey number 6, Jermaine Gatchalian. Jersey number 10, Bianca Nalus. Jersey number 8, Estelle Tumula. And their starting libero, Nimay Vergara. And now, let's meet the starting lineup for Elite Girls. First, jersey number 9, Erica Villagonzalo. Jersey number 5, Julian Altea D. Jersey number 3, Rihanna Isabel Santos. Jersey number 8, nurse setter Riley Noyne. Jersey number 3, middle blocker Sofia Bansil. And jersey number 19, Juliana Caris Morty. And their starting libero, jersey number 25, Ezra Lasso. Good luck for both teams. Ang tanong, hindi nawawala yung mic talaga. Ang tanong, hindi yung boses ko. Ang tanong, sasama ba sa basang Elite Girls? Malamig pa, kasya pa. Oo. O hindi yan. This is race with 25 points. May pasok pa tayo bukas, kids. May flag step pa. Now, first serving, jersey number 3, Santos. Good serve, get by jersey number 7. Set, jersey number 12. Attack error, score is 1-0 in favor of Elite Girls. You know, syempre, pipindutin yung scoreboard. One zero, coach. Nice serve. Papalo. Get by Ezra. Set by Riley. Jul Altea. Masyadong malakas. Score natin, it's 0-1. Now serving from Lucban, jersey number 12. Good serve. And service is for jersey number 12. Our score is 2-1 in favor of Lucban Elementary School. Still serving jersey number 12. Good serve. Get by Erica. Set. Jewel. Pumalo. Over. Get by Erica. Set by Riley. Bansil. Pumalo. Top. Ooh! What a drop ball by the center. Jersey number 8. Parang si Gia Morado lang. Grabe yun. Grabe. Good serve. Get by Erica, set by Riley, Bansil, mahabang palo. Nakatingin sa ring natin. Score natin is 3-2, still in favor of Lokban. Still serving, jersey number 8, Riley. Good serve. And service ace for jersey number 8, Riley Arnett. Still serving, jersey number 8, Narner. Good serve. Get me jersey number 6. Set. 6, Humalo. Bree. Good save. Oh, nasipa si Juliana. Nice save. Nice save, Bree. Score is 4-3 in favor of Lokban. Now serving the center, jersey number 8. Good serve. Get by Ezra. Set. Bansil. Over. Score is 5-3 in favor of Lokban. Still serving, jersey number 8. Good serve. Get by Ezra. Papalo si Jul. Over. Bree. Riley. High. Score is 6-3 in favor of Lokban. Still serving, jersey number 8. Good serve and service ace para kay jersey number 8. Our score is 7-3 in favor of Lokban. Still serving, jersey number 8. Good serve. Get by Santos. Set by Narne. D. Drop ball. Papalo si jersey number 6. Ooh! What a soft hit para kay jersey number 6. Our score is 8-5. 5 na po kalamangan ng Lokban. Now serving, jersey number 8. Good serve. Set. Palo si Jul. Jersey number 12. And over. Get by Bansil. Erica. Riley. Get by 2. Set by 8. Spike by 6. Uy, good ball. Palo si Jul. Yun. Score is 8-4 in favor of Lokban.
I cannot hear you, friends of Jules.
Good serve. And service ace for jersey number 3, Bansil. Still serving, jersey number 3, Bansil. Good serve. Get by jersey number 6. Over. Get by Juliana. Set. Jul. Umano. And what a spike para kay ate mo, Alcayani. Our score is 8-6. Dalawa po po naman ng Lokban. Still serving, jersey number 3. Bansil. Good serve. Over. Palo, not over. Score is 8-6. 8-7. Sorry po. 8-7. Still serve, jersey number 3, Bansil. Good serve. Ginawa. Papalo si jersey number 5. Matsil. Riley. Jewel. Come over. Score is 9-7 in favor of Lukban. Now serving jersey number 2. Wow, good serve. Hey, service ace for jersey number 2. Ay, still at serving jersey number 2. Another good serve, get by Erica, Juliana, Hinover. Set. Chip. Diba? Good. Drop ball. Ay! Score is 7-11. Diba? Nakaka-check na si Juliana. Isang batch pa lang yan ha. Mga 10 batch pa. Kaya pa yan. Still at serving, jersey number 2.
Sino kumain dyan?
Good serve. Get. Paklo. Drop ball. Jersey number 8. Papalo. Drop ball din. Riley. Oh, dahan. Kinuha. Nice receive. Nice set. Woo! One spike. Sunet. Mamikay. Binalik. Grabe. Saray! Score natin is 12-7. Lima na po naman ng Lukban Elementary School. Ano na? Good sir. Get by Estra. Set. Binalik kay Estra. Score. Time out. Illinger. Grabe. Siyempre, hindi sasayangin ng Lukban ang paglayo nila dito sa Parañaque, di ba? Sulitin na namin. Happy na okay. Our score is 13-7 in favor of Lukban Elementary Schools. They're on survey jersey number 2. Good serve. Riley, Sar, drop ball, get by, set by 8, spike by 7, get by Bree, Kai, Sar, Pumalo, net over. Substitution. Ito na ang sabi sa hula. Still on serving, jersey number 2. Hoy! Lumalaw! Lumingkayot kasi eh. Oh, di ba? Score is 16-7. Lamang na Lukban. At tanong, magkaka-epic comeback ba? Hindi makalikot si Bree. Tambay siya sa backline. Good serve. Ayan, ako na ang gagawa ng sarili kong wave para makahit ako. Di ba? Kanina pa ako sa likod. Now serving Altairi. Good serve. Outside. Wow, marunong ka palang umilag. So now then is 16-9. Babasa pito ang kalamangan ng lokban. Still serving. D. Another good serve. Set by jersey number 8. Papalo si number 6. What a spike by jersey number 6. Wala ko ng Christmas sa ODL coach eh, no? Wala yung number 6 na yan, no? Pero Las Vegas ikaw nandiyan din yan. Yan. Still now serving jersey number 6. Get by Jul. Kai. Bree. Happy birthday, Sep. Score natin is 9-18. Parehas ng kapalaran. Parehas ng kapalaran. Good serve. Get by Kate. Serve says 19-9. 10 ang lamang ng lokban. Simple lang yung naririnig ko sa loob ng court. Outside. Score is 19-10. Good serve. Balon, number 12, not over, score is 19-18. Walo na lang. Still serving, jersey number 14, Kate. Good. Service ace, para kay Kate Rodriguez. Still serving, jersey number 14, Kate. Knock over. At 5 na lamang kailangan ng lokban para samahan ang kanilang mga lalaki sa kampyonato. Now serving. Good serve. Get by Alexa. Get by Kate. Outside, score is 20-13. Good, sir. Good. Set by Riley. Joke lang daw. Ayun. Kanina, tinatawanan niyo kami, ha? Malayo niya na, kami dalawa lang.
Sama-sama.
Now serving jersey number 7. Good serve. Bree. Seal. 7. 8. Outside. 21-14. Substitution. Jersey number 1 in. Jersey number 12 out. Now serving jersey number 3, Santos. Good serve. Service ace para kay Brianna Santos. Grabe, 6 na lang. Kaya pa. 4 sa 6. Good serve. Inangat ni jersey number 8, number 1 pumalo. Nice! Sa inyo mga nakakakamapit sa buhay eh. Bumulong sa net. Score natin is 21-16 down to 5. Hala! Still at serving, jersey number 3. Another good serve. 8, number 2 in over. Good, good, good. Why? Papalo, in over. Get by Mami Kai. Sinet, Pansi, drop ball. Jersey number 8. Good ball. Get by Mami Kai. Sinet, Pansi again. Yun lamang ang maling desisyon natin sa buhay. Score natin is 20-16. Tatlo na lang ang kailangan ng Lokban. Now serving. Jersey number 1. Good serve. Get by Bansil. Sinet. Bansil gustong bumawi. Nakakat ni jersey number 8. Ooh! Brianna. Ano gagawin? Binalik ni. Ay! Good ball. Sinet. 23-16. Leftover score is 23-17. Anim ang inahabol ng in-injures at 2 na lang ang kailangan ng Lokban. Ano ang gagawin natin? Now serving, Riley Arne. Good serve. Get by jersey number 5. Papalo si 6. Chance ball. Get by Mami Kai. Set. But seal. Sige. Score. 24-17. Championship point. Para sa Lokban. Sweep ang Legacy Cup. Outside. Oh, mamaya na daw puputugtugin. Nababati eh. Pangit yung mga ganyan. Mamaya na, baka ano. Tinitruan tayo eh. Exit. Wala din. Next time, go outside of the volleyball court. Okay, our champion for this year's Legacy Cup is none other than the Lokban Elementary School Women's Volleyball